How to remove Notes password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. Once you're here, you can view all your Notes folders. Open the All iCloud folder from here. You can view all the notes in this folder. As you can see, the notes that have a password have a lock icon beside it. Open any locked note. Then, tap on View Note. You require Face ID or passcode to view this note. If you want to remove the password, then go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Remove. Then, go back to the previous page. As you can see, the lock icon is no longer there. Following these steps, you can easily remove Notes password on iPhone.